Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. So this video will be a guide on the best field management software. Essentially, we're going to be exploring how various field management tools can make your workflow more organized, efficient, and profitable, so that by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of some of the top field service applications and how each can improve your scheduling, dispatching, communication, and more. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you may know, field service businesses usually juggle many tasks at once, sending out technicians, tracking their locations, managing customer information, handling invoices, and making sure everything is done on time. Now, doing all of these tasks manually can be a huge headache and is prone to errors. And this is why with a good field management platform, you can automate scheduling and dispatching, as most of them can easily assign jobs to the right person within just a few clicks. Improve communication, as you can keep your office staff and field technicians on the same page using real-time updates. Access information anywhere with real-time data in the field that can help technicians view and update job details on the go. And of course, simplifying the billing and the payroll. This is done by tracking work hours, generating invoices, and managing payments without the usual confusion. So now that we have seen why these tools are very useful, let's talk about the top ones. I have personally tested many applications and found these solutions to be the most helpful. We're going to go through each one in more detail so that you can decide which ones fit your business and you can start utilizing today. Starting with Salesforce Field Service. This is one of the most trusted names in the field service industry. Salesforce Field Service provides a range of tools that help you manage and streamline your operations from a single platform. Here is how it stood out for us. We've got essential customer data in one place. We have found that Salesforce gave our team easy access to important information like customer history, asset details, and service records. Having all this data before starting each job helped our technicians be better prepared. For example, if you are going to fix a specific piece of equipment, you already know when it was last serviced and what parts might be needed. And this leads to fewer trips back and forth and higher first-time fix rates. Now, one big challenge for field technicians is working in areas without strong Wi-Fi or cellular signals. Salesforce Field Service tackles this by offering an offline-first mobile application. Technicians can still view appointments, update statuses, and record job details even if they temporarily lose internet access. As soon as they are back online, everything syncs up automatically. Additionally, we have the customization and integration, as Salesforce has robust customization options, letting you tailor the software to your business needs. You can add custom fields, change the layout of the interface, or even build new components. Also, since this tool is part of the larger Salesforce ecosystem, it integrates smoothly with Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. So that means that you can keep your customer records, sales data, and field service workflows all in one place. I personally really like the next feature, which is the dispatch console and scheduling. This one helps schedulers assign tasks quickly. They can see which technicians are available, where they are located, and what skills they may have. This feature makes it easy to match the right technician to the right job. Automated scheduling can also reduce idle time and improve overall productivity. Next up, we have Salesforce's real-time asset tracking. This makes it possible to move from a reactive to a proactive maintenance approach. So rather than waiting for equipment to break down, you can plan ahead for repairs or services. Also, the visual remote assistant lets you offer video support to technicians or even customers so that they can troubleshoot small issues without an in-person visit. So to sum things up about Salesforce, who should use it? If you are looking for a highly customizable all-in-one field service platform and already use or plan to use Salesforce products, then this tool could be perfect for you. It's a robust solution that can handle complex workflows and large teams. Next on the list, we have Zuper. It's a platform known for its user-friendly interface and extensive automation features. Here is why I chose to put it in this list today. We've got a unified platform for scheduling, dispatching, and work orders. So Zuper organizes your entire workflow, scheduling jobs, dispatching technicians, and managing work orders in one place. This helps your back office, field technicians, and customers stay connected. If a job changes or a new request comes in, you can update the system and everyone sees the change instantly. Next up, we have mobile app for real-time updates. So field technicians can use the Zuper mobile application to receive job details, update work status, and log materials used, all in real time. If your team happens to go offline, the app stores the information and syncs later once they have internet access again. This way, you never lose track of what's happening in the field. We also have intelligent dispatching, so one standout feature is intelligent dispatching, which assigns the best technician for the job based on skill set, location, and availability. This cuts down on travel time and ensures work is handled by the right person. For instance, if a job requires specialized knowledge in HVAC systems, the system will send the job to a technician with that certification. Zuper lets you create workflows that match your business processes. Whether you need multiple approvals, special safety checks, or specific customer sign-off steps, you can design the workflow inside the platform. And this kind of customization leads to fewer mistakes and faster job completion times. Now, another handy feature is pre-work briefs, which give technicians all the key information that they need before going on site. This could include previous service records, important customer notes, or a list of spare parts to bring. With the right prep, you can cut down on wasted trips and incomplete service calls. So to sum things up for Zuper, who should use it? I would say Zuper is ideal for companies that want a straightforward but powerful platform to organize field operations. If you need an easy way to automate tasks and ensure that each technician has the right information, then this might be the tool for you. So my third pick for today is Housecall Pro, a popular choice for small to mid-sized service businesses like plumbing, HVAC, electrical, and more. It has a wide range of tools for scheduling, dispatching, and payment processing. So let's go and see what makes it special. For starters, we've got the drag and drop scheduling, so I love Housecall Pro's drag and drop interface for scheduling jobs. The system displays time slots and you can just move appointments around with your mouse or on your touchscreen. This makes it very easy to handle last-minute changes or assign a new technician to a job if someone calls in sick. Once again, this service has the mobile application for field technicians and it's worth mentioning. So they offer a mobile application that provides job details, driving directions, and customer contact information. Technicians can use the application to check in when they arrive, take photos of the work, and even collect electronic signatures. And this level of integration reduces paperwork and keeps everyone on the same page. Next up, we have the real-time updates and communication. So we found that having real-time updates was huge for coordination. Once a technician completes a job or makes a note, the office staff sees it immediately. If something changes, like the customer needing a different time, the system alerts the tech right away. And this can eliminate the confusion and speeds up the decision-making process. Next up, we have GPS tracking and time tracking. So keeping tabs on your workforce can be tough if you have many people in the field. Housecall Pro includes GPS tracking so you can see where your technicians are, as well as time tracking to log hours worked. As you can imagine, this can simplify payroll because you'll have an accurate record of how long each technician spent on a job. And this takes us to one of the best features, which is the built-in system for invoice generation and payment processing. So technicians can generate invoice on-site and accept payments immediately. This means no waiting for checks in the mail or transferring data to another system. Everything is in one place, which improves the cash flow. So who should actually use this service? If you run a service-based business and want a user-friendly, all-in-one solution, then Housecall Pro could be a great fit. It's especially good for smaller teams but can also grow with you as your business expands. Moving on, let's explore Connecteam, a platform that focuses on helping businesses communicate and coordinate their field teams effectively. While it handles scheduling and dispatching, it also emphasizes collaboration and quick information sharing. So as I said, quick scheduling and dispatch is among their features. You can schedule and dispatch jobs within minutes using Connecteam's built-in calendar. This is especially helpful if you have many short jobs in a day, so once a job is assigned, the technician instantly gets all the details on their phone, including addresses, job instructions, and any special notes. We also have the GPS time tracking again in the service, as Connecteam's GPS tracking feature can record each employee's location when they clock in and out, ensuring accurate timesheets. So this means no more guessing if someone really started work at 8 AM or 8:30. The system automatically logs hours into digital timesheets, making payroll much simpler. We also have the real-time task delegation, so if new tasks pop up during the day, you can delegate them in real time. For instance, if a customer calls in with an emergency, you can assign that job to whoever is closest and available. Connecteam sends them a notification and all of the details that they need. And this kind of flexibility can greatly improve customer satisfaction. Next up, we have the digital workflows. So one standout feature is digital workflows, which lets you create and track tasks, checklists, or forms. For example, you might have a safety checklist that technicians must fill out before starting certain types of jobs. And by completing it on their phone, you get instant updates and can keep records without juggling paper forms. And finally, I'm going to talk about decentralized communication, as Connecteam offers built-in messaging so that your team can chat about job details, share photos and videos, or ask questions. If you need to reach the entire team about a new policy or schedule change, then you can send a group message. This helps keep everyone on the same page and reduces confusion. So to sum things up, who should use Connecteam? I would say Connecteam is ideal for businesses that want to focus on communication and team coordination. If you need to manage lots of daily tasks and keep your team aligned, this is a valuable solution that you can start using today. So we have covered our thoughts on Salesforce, Field Service, Super, House Call Pro, and Connecteam, highlighting how each one can tackle different challenges in your day-to-day operations. By using the right platform, you can organize your schedule more effectively, improve communication, and keep both your customers and technicians happy. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you thought that this video was helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you won't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.